Have you ever looked at the ever-growing crypto market and thought, maybe I should get involved in that? But then confusion sets in. How do you even buy crypto? There are exchanges, wallets, weird online slang. It can all be overwhelming. Well, fear not, fellow curious souls. Today, we're going to tackle a specific question. How do you buy crypto with Coinbase Wallet? Coinbase Wallet is a self-custody crypto wallet, meaning you hold the private keys to your crypto, giving you more control over your holdings. However, unlike some other self-custody wallets, Coinbase Wallet offers a convenient way to buy crypto directly within the app, using various payment methods. Now, before we dive in, a quick disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. The crypto market can be volatile, so always do your own research before you invest. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get started. Step 1. Download and set up Coinbase Wallet. First things first, you'll need the Coinbase Wallet app. It's available for free on iOS and Android. Download it, install it, and follow the prompts to create your account. This will involve setting up a secure passcode and backing up your recovery phrase. Remember, this recovery phrase is like the master key to your crypto, so keep it safe and never share it with anyone. Step 2. Link your payment method. Once you're in the app, you'll need to link a payment method to buy crypto. Coinbase Wallet offers several options, including bank transfers, debit cards, and even some local payment methods depending on your region. You can find the Buy section within the app, which will guide you through linking your chosen payment method. Step 3. Choose your crypto. Now comes the fun part, selecting the crypto you want to buy. Coinbase Wallet offers a good variety of popular cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to newer projects. Browse through the options and pick the one that interests you. Step 4. Decide how much to buy. This is where you need to think strategically. Remember, the crypto market can be unpredictable, so it's wise to start small, especially if you're new to the game. Coinbase Wallet allows you to buy crypto using either a fixed amount of your local currency or a specific amount of the chosen cryptocurrency itself. Step 5. Preview and confirm. Before you hit that buy button, take a moment to review the transaction details. This includes the amount you're buying, the current price of the crypto, and any applicable fees. Coinbase Wallet is transparent about their fees, so you'll know exactly what you're paying up front. Once you're happy with everything, confirm the purchase. Congratulations! You've just bought crypto. Your chosen cryptocurrency will now be reflected in your Coinbase Wallet. You can view your balance, track its price movements, and even send it to other wallets if you wish. Bonus tip: exploring decentralized exchanges, DEXs. While Coinbase Wallet offers a convenient way to buy crypto, it's not the only option. For more experienced users, decentralized exchanges, DEXs, offer a wider range of cryptocurrencies and potentially lower fees. However, DEXs can also be more complex to navigate. Remember, the crypto journey is a marathon, not a sprint. The world of crypto is vast and ever-evolving. Don't be discouraged if there's a lot to learn. Start slow, do your research, and don't be afraid to ask questions. There are many online resources and communities dedicated to helping crypto newbies. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto exploring.